Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black was released in late 2018, and while the device has a lot in common with the Hero 6 Black, there are a few key upgrades that may make it worth your while. The GoPro Hero 7 Black's biggest new feature is Hyper Smooth, which adds gimbal-like stabilization that removes shakiness from your videos. The stabilization is supposedly so good that you can apply a time warp feature to videos you're recording on the move that will create a smooth time lapse. Finally, the other big feature the GoPro Hero 7 Black offers is the ability to live stream to Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, and any other service that works with an RTMP URL. Now let's unbox the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Remove the plastic wrapping from the outside of your GoPro Hero 7 Black. Locate the blue pull tab along the bottom of the box, and then remove that to open up the bottom of the box. Reach in, grab the white box on the inside, and then pull it out of the vanity box. Nothing else will be in the vanity box. Locate the cutout on the front of the white box and then open it. The first booklet will contain instructions for removing the outer case from your GoPro and inserting a battery and SD card. The next item will be a sticker card. The next gray, thicker booklet will contain product and safety information. After removing the booklets, pull up on the two flaps beneath where the booklets were located. The first item you'll pull out will be a USB-C charging cable. This is the same charging cable used by the Hero Black 5 and the Hero Black 6 GoPro cameras. Next, you'll remove two adhesive mounts that can be used on helmets, vehicles, and nearly anywhere else you can think of. GoPro does not, however, recommend using the adhesive mounts on something likely to get wet. The final item in the box is the battery, which is also the same battery that was used in the GoPro Hero 5 and Hero 6. Finally, remove the screw that is connecting the GoPro Hero 7 Black to the mount in the box. Now, remove the black plastic stand from the white box. After removing the black plastic stand, lift up the rubber tab on the back of the mount that's connected to the plastic stand. Squeeze the two back parts of the mount and then pull the mount through the holders on the plastic stand. You can now insert the mount in either of the adhesive mounts or on any other mounts for your GoPro. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you like what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.